Okay, this morning I've got a pair of pants that belongs to my daughter. My daughter is a school teacher, and about 3 weeks ago she was at school and she leaned up against something that had ink on it, and so she got a pretty bad stain of ink on these pants, and she tried to just wet it to get the ink off, and of course that didn't work. Like I said, it's been about 3 weeks ago, so I'm going to try and see if I can get this stain out for her. The way I've done it in the past is I can take hairspray and really saturate it with hairspray and then try to wash it out after that. So let me try this and see what it does. Okay, I'm going to take it over to the sink and really put some water on it and see how it looks. See if any of that will come out. Okay, I sprayed the pants with the hairspray and scrubbed them and then ran them through a wash cycle in the washing machine. It's still got some ink on it, so I'm going to spray it one more time with some more hairspray. I'm going to really concentrate on those spots. And I'm going to run it through one more wash cycle, and we'll see how it does after another wash cycle. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I found out that putting hairspray on really don't help any. So we're going to try something different. We're going to try some rubbing alcohol. So let me get this rag saturated with some rubbing alcohol, and let's see what it will do to it. This might actually break it up a little bit. It looks like it's starting to dab it up some. Some more. Well, so far all I did is wash it, and washing it has not helped get out. But after I soak it in this rubbing alcohol, I'm going to try to wash it again. It does seem that the rubbing alcohol is breaking it up just a little bit. Okay, so these are the pants that had the real bad ink stain on the front of them. And we ended up putting rubbing alcohol on the ink stain and blotted it out real good and totally saturated it. Then I put in a very hot wash in the washing machine, and we added a little bit of bleach to the wash load. It came out, had just a couple of little minor spots, so we redid it and did it one more time. After doing all that, here's the pair of pants. All the ink is gone. These pants are, you can tell there's a little area there that looks a little lighter from so much scrubbing on it, but these pants will probably be able to be worn again. And just remember that if you're using hairspray, the hairspray they make now is not as good as it used to be. Years ago I'd use hairspray and get ink out of my shirt pockets all the time, but the hairspray now does not work for getting ink out. But if you'll try the rubbing alcohol, it does a pretty good job of getting the ink out of your stains on your pants and clothes. And so I'll be giving these back to my daughter. She may not want to wear them to school, but she can wear them to work around the house and stuff like that. Anyway, thanks for watching our videos.